Right, going to be making some 999 pure tin coins. There's the mould. Already melted some down, as you can see. Using butane for this. So you get that in focus. I have refining flux inside of here, so might be a little bit of dross even though it's pure. So I have used this crucible for melting other stuff in the past. But this crucible has been cleaned. Quite a lot of borax in here as well. Sucking out any impurities. See a little bit there. Nice. Quite a bit in here, so I'll be pouring quite slowly. There we go. One. There's two. Come out quite nice. Like there's space for a little ingot here as well. Bonus ingot. Move this onto a flat surface. Ooh, or not. Mould needs more heating. Seems to be a bit much on this one. Yeah, it's not level this. Without spilling it, so carefully do that. Ooh, see all that? I'm wobbling nastily. Ooh, not sure if I got it. I got it. Hey. Successful transportation. Get that little heat. Now it's on a more level surface. My forge needs re-leveling. There's a lot of dross and crap stuck underneath it. Seems like it's coins and ingots. Shiny pure tin. Won't take long to cool. See the reflection of the phone. Nice looking coins there though. Not bad at all. What do you reckon? Starting to cool. Seems to be some slight deformations. I don't like that. Heating them a little bit more. don't like it deforming like that. I want pretty coins. Okay, seem to be solid. Let that cool a little bit longer. We'll drop the thing. Just camping gas, the average camping stove. Seen better days since I've used it a lot. Melted a bit. Okay, should be ready to drop. Carefully flip this thing. Oops. There's one coin out. There's two. About my ingots. One. One. Big one. Medium one seems to be a bit stuck. Sure as hell not touching that. Mold. Very hot indeed. There we go. Shiny. As expected. Very. Well, they're nice. Pure tin coins. Quenching. Not hot. Tiny bit of heat to them, but not much. Oh, they're cool to the touch. Nice. Wow, look how shiny that is. Shiny tin buttons. Well, coins. Weird refocus info. Topper. Plus extra ingot. Bit drossy on the outside. Have to clean that. Although it has been in borax, so it's probably just borax. Put in some vinegar and clean it up. Same for this tiny little mini one. See that? Large blob of borax. Bit too much. Fair enough. Well, next melting.